Okay, just checking the vehicle in lane 1 before we move across. And I'm aware of the roundabout sign coming up on the left hand side takes us to the first exit. Roundabout sign on the right hand side gives us priority at the roundabout. Looking across to make sure vehicles are aware that we have priority. Just check the gantry and we can see there's flowing traffic up there. So we're checking the distance from the vehicle up ahead of us and we're preparing to exit left. Just a quick look in the right mirror to make sure there's nobody else trying to exit with us or beat us to the exit. Looking up at the gantry we see there's a vehicle there and another white van behind him. Just checking the distance again from the vehicle up ahead so we can use acceleration to help us find a gap if we need to. Looking across, there's vehicles there, so I'm going to use the signal and we're just going to accelerate now and feed ourselves into this gap nice and clean. Regulate the distance from the vehicle up ahead by dropping back. We're being aware of anything coming up very quick before we move into lane 2. You can see the bikes behind us at the moment and accelerating away. We're going to review this section in a little bit more detail now. As we approach the roundabout, and the sign on the right is the one that gives us priority at the roundabout. You can see the give way line halfway through the sign. Any foreign lorry drivers or people who are not using roundabouts or intersections like this might not be aware of the give way, so we need to be aware of anybody coming towards us from under that bridge. Looking at the gantry, you can see whether there's any traffic flow or initial clue as to whether it's a busy area or not. Keeping the gap from the vehicles like this is just allowing us to take the information as we need to. But there's actually a little bit of traffic flow up there. We're holding back from the vehicle again, using this nice following distance to allow us that time just to decide on things, and you can see there's quite a bit of traffic flow up there. So we're going to have to use a little bit of acceleration to get in. Our vehicle plan is to move to lane 1, lane 2 and probably into lane 3. If we're on a sports bike, we'll be putting a lot more throttle in here, which means we need to consider what's coming up fast to the rear. So if something is in lane 3 making good progress, it's going to catch us up very quickly and probably be in the line of my escape route from any traffic. So I need to consider exactly what's going on around us and coming up fast. We'll make some nice observations moving in, but notice how it's a little pause between each lane change. I'm not just flying into lane 3 to escape. I also need to consider if the van's going to move or brake or anything like that.